Market Watch, dollar hits highs on surprising U.S. growth. This week, the dollar is on track for its biggest rise in a month and a half, driven by unexpectedly strong U.S. economic data. May saw U.S. business activity surge to its highest level in over 2 years, with manufacturers facing rising input prices. These developments have reduced expectations for U.S. interest rate cuts and increased government bond yields. The dollar has gained nearly 1% against the Japanese yen, trading at 157.04 yen. Despite Japan's core inflation meeting expectations and staying above the central bank's 2.2% target, the yen has shown little movement. The attractive yield of holding dollars continues to lure investors. Minutes from the latest Federal Reserve meeting revealed a debate on whether current rates are restrictive enough to cool inflation. Traders now expect the first Fed rate cut in December, with only 36 basis points of cuts anticipated for 2024, down from 50 BPS last week. S&P Global's business surveys suggest that the Fed might maintain higher rates longer, with strong growth hinting at another potential rate hike. Matt Simpson from Citi Index noted, expansive growth is usually good, but not for traders positioned for Fed cuts. With PMIs indicating firmer growth and potential inflation, hopes for rate cuts have quickly diminished. The euro edged up 0.3% to $1.0843, buoyed by a key European wage indicator, but remains down nearly 0.5% for the week. Despite a European Central Bank blog post attributing wage rises to one-off factors, markets still expect a rate cut next month. Sterling held steady around 2-month highs at $1.272, despite weak British retail sales. Meanwhile, China's yuan remained stable amid ongoing tensions around Taiwan. The New Zealand dollar, supported by a hawkish stance from the Reserve Bank of New Zealand, is still down 0.55% for the week at $0.61095. The U.S. dollar index, measuring the dollar against 6 major currencies, is up nearly 0.6% for the week, approaching 105. This marks its largest weekly rise since mid-April. Exchange dollars and more than 30 currencies with us. Register your company at TKambio US and transact with the best exchange rate. Backed by Monex US. Subscribe and stay updated with exchange rate news.